Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Cooking Time. Today we are going to cook a Quaker Oats patties, and our main ingredients is the sausage, and this is a sliced cheese. I cut it into a small cubes with onions, paprika, because this paprika is sweet, so it adds taste to our patties. And this is a little bit of the red chili. I have here the pan with the oil. Then I have here the seasoning, the beef powder, the black pepper, the paprika powder. I have here the salt, the garlic powder. I have here a flour, the cooking oil. This one is sunflower oil. And this is our main ingredients, the Quaker Oats. Okay, look at here, this is the Quaker Oats. This is the instant Quaker Oats. And I have here, guys, this bowl, and I have here 2 eggs. Okay, so we will mix all these ingredients. This one is the cheese, look. This is the sausage. This is the paprika. This is the chili and the onions. I'm going to mix all these things here. And I have here the Quaker Oats. I will just estimate. This is approximately 1 cup of Quaker Oats. Then we will mix it like this. We will add more Quaker Oats. So pwede nyo i-estimate lang o pwede nyo i-measure 1 cup. Then we will add this black pepper. It depends on your taste. This is the paprika powder. Depende kung gaano kadami ang gusto nyo. Tapos, then this is a little bit of salt. We will not put more because this beef powder is already salty. So I will add like this. And I have here the garlic powder. Okay. So we will mix it. So this is it, guys. And we will add 2 eggs. This is the fresh eggs. We'll add 2 pieces. And we will mix it here. This is just a very simple cooking. This is a Quaker Oats Patties. So we will mix it together like this. Then we will preheat. This one is already preheated pan with the cooking oil. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. Little bit. So that it will be sticky. Para mag-sticky siya. And we will add a flour. We will add a little bit of flour. Look at there, guys, like this. So yan, look. I-mix lang natin. We will just mix it. This is our very simple food. You can serve this as a snacks, or you can eat this for your dinner together with a vegetable salad. And this is a healthy diet food because this is only made of Quaker Oats with a little bit of cheese and sausage, with a little bit of some ingredients, and a little bit of the flour. I'm using this kind of sausage. This one is a product from Switzerland from Dinner Supermarket. So guys, our pan is already preheated, and we will cook now. Here, look at here. So this is our patties now. I think we will add more little bit water so that it will be more sticky. Para mag-sticky siya. Because still it is dry. So you can estimate if you add water when it is already sticky. When the mixture is already sticky, so you can add the water. So we will cook here. So guys, look at here. I'm already starting cooking. Look, the patties. Just like that. Mabango siya, guys. This is aromatic because of the garlic powder with paprika or capsicum. This paprika, the red paprika, adds to the taste because it is sweet. This paprika. We use this one for the salad, and all in our cooking we use paprika, fresh paprika, and with this paprika powder. So we will try to turn it. We need more heat. So yun na guys, tingnan natin. Oh, look. Yun ang ating patties. Try natin i-turn. So we need this one to be a little bit more brownish. So we will wait for a while. So we will turn this one. So you can serve this one with ketchup, okay? Or you can sprinkle it with hot sauce if you love hot spicy food. This is very easy and quick cooking. So we will just cook a little bit more brownish. So we will turn this one. Oh, it's not ready. So you can serve this one for as your snacks, or you can eat this together with your other food, with salad. Usually we eat this together with a vegetable salad, or as a snacks. Try ulit natin, baka masunog. So look at guys. Medyo brown na siya. So the other one, yeah, this is okay now. It's more brown. And this one. Not yet brown. So we will add some more here in this part. So not yet brown. We need this to become more brown. So guys, I have here a platter for the serving. I will show you. When it is cooked, we will put here in the serving plate. So this is now ready. So I'm going to put it here. Look at here, this one. And this is ready. We'll put here in the center. And here, this one. So I just prepared already this decoration as so that it will look beautiful. So this is it here. Gonna be here. And the other one will just for this one. So guys, I have already here the patties. So we will put this one, look at here. So this is already our serving. So it's gonna be like this. So guys, this is already our Quaker Oats Patties made of Quaker Oats, cheese, and sausages. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this menu, a very simple menu. So please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to SGM Creations, Tutorial, Travels, and Lifestyle. Bye bye, and danke schön, auf Wiedersehen. So ganyan siya.